Good morning, JSerra. I'm Nick.
And I'm Kira. Let's start today's show with the daily announcements. Class of 2021, do you want a say in your senior class t-shirt? Vote for your class t-shirt by the end of today. Go to votingforschools.com to log in and vote.
Food Truck Friday returns tomorrow during both lunches. Featured this week is Alexa's Catering Taco Truck and Stick-a-Berry Sweet Treats. So bring your cash to school on Friday.
Eco Club will be meeting tomorrow morning at 7:30 a.m. on the grassy knoll. Anyone is welcome to join.
And finally, don't forget to wear your favorite JSerra program or spirit shirt with jeans, joggers, or sweats tomorrow. Absolutely no leggings, pants with holes, pajama lounge pants, tank tops, or crop tops. It's a day to support your campus sport, club, magnet, retreat, or school spirit. So Kira, are you good at baking?
Honestly, not really, but I heard Sophia made a segment about baking pumpkin muffins, just in time for Thanksgiving.
Let's go check it out. Wow, those look delicious, Sophia.
Hey Nick, are you good? How good are your taste buds?
I'm not sure, but Sophia made another segment about blindfold tasting of Thanksgiving favorites. Let's go see it.
Good morning, JSerra. Today we are trying Thanksgiving food, and we're kind of skeptical about it because neither of us really like Thanksgiving food, and we're going to be doing it blindfolded. Because we are 6 feet apart, we can take our masks off, so that's what we're gonna do. Okay, let's get started.
I hate Thanksgiving food. I'm literally gonna throw it in my mouth right now.
Oh. I can't, they're kind of cold.
They're actually freezing, so I give it a 2 out of 10.
I give it a 5 out of 10.
Actually, 0 out of 10. This is definitely turkey.
This is, okay.
It's so cold, it's like hard. It's hard.
Oh God, that's terrible.
I'm not gonna spit this out.
This is definitely turkey. Whoever made this needs it. It needs to be more.
Hands it right now. I'm about to. Holy shoot. I really thought that was about to be pumpkin pie.
No.
I need to like.
That's cornbread. That's good.
Ugh.
It's really like grainy.
Oh.
I can. Like if it was warmed up and had like a little bit of butter on it, an 8. Had like a good base.
Yeah, guys, if this was warm, it would be so yum, but 5.
Wait. Oh, that was good. That was good.
Oh, that's so yummy. I freaking love pumpkin pie. That's so good.
Oh. I'm not a huge fan of pumpkin pie.
I freaking love.
I took way too much. Oh, I give that a good 2 out of 10.
10 out of 10, so good.
Just trying Thanksgiving food, and Lauren's still eating hers.
Say
Happy Thanksgiving, guys. Peace
Bye.
and love. Thanks for that, Sophia.
That's all we have for today, Lions. I'm Nick.
And I'm Kira. Have
Thanks.
a great day, Lions.